Most importantly, let me thank you for view my recordings the current video about DOGELON. DOGELON cost today in every way that really matters is $5.11 E7 United States dollars with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $11,309,633 United States dollars in a significant manner. We really update our ELON to United States dollars cost progressively in a significant manner. DOGELON is down 94% in the essentially most recent 24 hours. The genuinely current market cap kind of positioning for the most part is number 123, with a live market cap of $281,788,406 United States dollars, or so the bit and large thought. It especially has a coursing supply of 551,484,869,720,376 ELON coins and a maximum supply of 100,000,000,000,000,000,000,000 ELON coins. Incredibly, DOGELON defaces in every practical sense, as memecoin intends to send DOGELON to the blemishes, which is comparable truly objective of Tesla proprietor Elon Musk, or so they thought. In virtual world DOGELON brought into the world in 2420 on certainly red sand of blemishes and carrying on with quiet existence with his loved ones. DOGELON certainly send messages to Earth planet home of looking for the most part help for extending state into center of innovation that will send life across the universe. DOGELON damages really is generally supposed to be individual from memecoin family following comparative idea of Shiba Inu, Floki, baby Dogecoin. ELON is genuinely token image of undertaking which at first sent off on Ethereum organization. ELON genuinely token half of supply shipped off Ethereum organizer wallet and later he gave to good cause incredibly. Staying half stock secured uniswap liquidity in an unobtrusive manner. Nonetheless, in late update, project shaped organization with Polygon to add Matic organization to token agreement as opposed to mainstream thinking. Presently, client can exchange DOGELON on the both Ethereum and Matic network. In any case, a large portion of objectives are speculative, as DOGELON is specially needed to basically make intergalactic cash that will help advancement of humankind amazingly. This DOGELON created cash will in every practical sense be incorporated with space age innovation before long. ELON coin price analysis. ELON token market cap volume hits 1 billion imprint and weekend cap came to $2 billion in worth. ELON makes passage into most elevated gainer list since most recent couple of week and following sort of opponent memecoin Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. After Shiba Inu beat Dogecoin in market cap and most certainly flip it for 9th position, ELON exceptionally token additionally has comparable all things considered, objective. ELON token since all time extremely high ROI truly crossed 100x and presently focusing on 200x in forthcoming month. Binance and Coinbase posting could assist project with certainly going into top 50 undertaking and that event soon. In kind of most recent 30 days ELON truly flooded by 3,800% and if certainly token continue to add more market volume than 1 cent presumably is generally close incredibly. How especially much worth in 2030. DOGELON ticker image most certainly getting consideration from financial backer as we probably are aware connection of memecoin and Elon Musk. We know Elon Musk especially is the one who is individual behind replacement Shiba Inu, Dogecoin and another canine-based memecoin in an inconspicuous manner. DOGELON contract review as of late finished that outcome into various kind of top-level trade, previously posting ELON coin in a genuinely significant manner. Time of memecoin still there and the vast majority of sort of early financial backer currently truly become tycoon and mogul. We actually recommend you to pretty your own exploration and toward the end utility matter for long-haul speculation, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Who are the founders of DOGELON? Very much like for the most part is the situation for its more unmistakable and more settled cousins, the pioneers behind this specific canine coin fundamentally are essentially obscure in a by and large significant manner. That is generally a typical event for image coins, and financial backers are all around encouraged, most certainly because of a reasonable level of investment with semi-secret coins, to try not to succumb to noxious practices like floor covering pulls and leave tricks. So, ELON has been available for quite some time, making the probability of the coin being a trick somewhat little. What makes DOGELON Mars unique, which is genuinely critical? DOGELON Mars most certainly utilizes a funny comic story of DOGELON, the canine giving the coin its name, as a foundation for its coin. DOGELON investigates the best secrets of the cosmic system and looks to recolonize the planet he once considered home, with the assistance of the companions he's made during his movements through the stars. Several short comics sort of are distributed on the coin site that by and large follow DOGELON on his experiences to Mars, where he especially meets companions and goes on undertakings, which sort of is genuinely critical. DOGELON Mars doesn't have a guide fundamentally, yet rather fostered a dream adaptation through its comics, which is very critical. After the recolonization of Mars in 2420, DOGELON will generally need to battle for endurance against the Annihilators. This fantasized variant proposes that once the coin is recorded on all significant trades, the cost of ELON will reach Mars, or, in especially different words, it will exchange at a basically higher valuation. Be that as it may, Annihilators, by which the unpredictability of the crypto markets could explicitly be implied, will essentially be an issue the local area will truly need to battle against. By and by, ELON is an image coin absent a lot of utility past getting it and holding it in a wallet like MetaMask, or so they thought. Be that as it may, taking into account it generally has a powerful blend of a few extremely memeable ascribes in its title, Elon Musk, Doge, Moon Mars, DOGELON Mars could like quickly if the general digital currency market appreciates and the gamble hunger for image coins increments. What number of DOGELON Mars, ELON, coins explicitly are there in circulation? The sort of absolute inventory of ELON in every practical sense is 1 quadrillion. Half of all ELON tokens by and large have been in a real sense shipped off Vitalik Buterin, the pioneer behind Ethereum, with an end goal to consume the tokens and generally eliminate them from core successfully. This is like Shiba Inu's methodology, in spite of the fact that it at first upset the Shiba Inu token cost, in light of the fact that Vitalik chose to give the tokens to good cause. The excess stock of ELON is for all time secured in the liquidity pool, with an ongoing flowing inventory of 553 billion ELON. How in a real sense is the DOGELON Mars network secured, or so they essentially thought. ELON is an ERC-20 by and large token on Polygon and Ethereum, which is one of the most well-known blockchains and the go-to answer for fundamentally many decentralized applications. Its evidence of work agreement system expects diggers to mine new Ether and guarantees that Ethereum basically is one of the most secure blockchains in the crypto business in a significant way. A bunch of decentralized hubs approves exchanges and gets the Ethereum blockchain. Polygon really is a layer 2 scaling answer for Ethereum that takes into account expanded exchange throughput, significance there sort of are no gas battles on Polygon. Could ELON at any point fundamentally hit 1 cent? Because of